Join me as I dive into the challenge of buying a property using creative financing techniques to see if I can really pull off purchasing one with 6 times my annual income. Gen Z is changing the game when it comes to buying homes. They're entering the market with innovative, creative strategies that make home ownership more accessible. A recent trend shows that many Gen Z buyers are purchasing homes with 6 times their annual income, which is a significant increase compared to previous generations. Rising prices and student debt are major obstacles for Gen Z in the housing market. Home prices have increased dramatically over the past few years, and there aren't so many jobs around, so earning money is difficult as well. Therefore, it's difficult to save for a down payment. Adding in the challenge of the burden of student loan debt, which can make it tough to even qualify for a mortgage. The combination of factors makes traditional home buying a significant hurdle for many Gen Z individuals. The stress of managing debt while trying to save for a home can be overwhelming. The housing market's current state doesn't help, with prices continuing to rise even though it's a stagnant market. This makes it essential for Gen Z buyers to explore alternative financing options. Many are turning to family members for help with down payments or co-signing loans. The struggle is real, but Gen Z is finding ways to adapt and overcome these challenges. Student debt is a significant issue as it can impact credit scores and mortgage eligibility. However, lenders are starting to offer more flexible options for borrowers with student loan debt. Some mortgage programs even allow for higher debt-to-income ratios, making it possible for more Gen Z buyers to qualify. Housing association loans, co-buying and down payment assistance programs are some of the special financing creative techniques helping Gen Z buyers. Housing association loans, for instance, offer more lenient credit score requirements and lower down payments. And there is often a right to buy or an option to buy at a later date. Co-buying with friends or family members can also help spread the financial burden. Down payment assistance programs provide grants or low-interest loans to help with the initial costs. These programs have made a significant difference for many Gen Z buyers. By using these techniques, they're able to overcome financial barriers and achieve home ownership. The key is to be informed and explore all available options. With the right strategy, home ownership can be within reach. Meet a young couple who use these techniques to buy their first home. They're able to secure a housing association loan with a lower down payment and co-bought with a family member to share the costs. Their story is a testament to the power of creative financing and creative thinking. The couple's journey to home ownership wasn't easy, but it paid off. They're now enjoying their new home and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. Their experience shows that with determination and the right approach, Gen Z buyers can achieve their goals. In conclusion, Gen Z buyers are getting creative with financing techniques to achieve ownership. By understanding the challenges and exploring alternative options, they're making their dreams a reality. If you're a Gen Z buyer or just curious about the property market, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on property and real estate trends, and also ways to overcome the difficulties of the property market. We specialize in creative win-win solutions. So if you want to speak to me, that's Alan, about any of the contents of this video or any of the other videos on my channel, you can call me on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. Both of those numbers from outside the UK, it's +44 and drop the 0, so it's +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.